Hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another video on our channel. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. Imagine you have this old school laptop that you're itching to experiment with different Linux distros on. Perhaps you managed to install Ubuntu server on it some time ago, but now you're facing a tricky situation. You tried to install NixOS, but Secure Boot is giving you a hard time. You can't access the BIOS, and all seems lost. What's the solution here? Well, the solution lies in the specifics of your device, the Curro Golden Creek 362-in-1. After a bit of online research, it appears there's no user access to the BIOS. But fret not, you already have Ubuntu running, which is a big win in itself. If you're looking to try out a different OS, consider installing the desktop version of Ubuntu or explore other Linux distros like CentOS, Debian, Fedora, OpenSUSE, or Red Hat Enterprise Linux. These should work fine with Secure Boot and offer you a different Linux experience. Embrace the possibilities. In summary, the Curro Golden Creek 360 may not allow access to the BIOS, but hey, at least you have Ubuntu up and running. Consider trying out different Linux distros that support Secure Boot for a fresh experience. Don't be disheartened by the Secure Boot hurdle. There are plenty of Linux options out there waiting to be explored on your trusty device. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy tinkering!